Chat, what up? What's good? What's good? What up? What up? What up? Good morning. Morning, chat. All right, welcome in. Welcome in. What's good? What's good? Oh, what up, chat? How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Let me just get Zoom set up, and we're going to rock and roll. W's in the chat. We got some motion here today. It's going to be a good day. Happy Tuesday. Day. One sec. Get rid of this. George VDM in the building. Louis G. I see you, Louis G. Z Gamer in the house. Yeah, that's right, Z Gamer. It is Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday is ahead of us. So, you know, I think I'll be making some tacos here today as well. Yeah, what up, Yanosh? Good morning, Energy. Good morning, Scott Blackwood. What's good, my man? What up, Edwin? Yo. Stevie Mac in the house. AJ Purpose is here. What up, Kelvin? Good morning, brother. What's up, AJ? What up, LeGrand? Got a Trades in the house. What up, Got a Trade? What up, Rob Trades? Big dog Rob Trades. Yes, sir. Pete the G in the building. What's good, everyone? Hope you guys are well here. Hope you guys had a good Asian session, good London session. Good morning, Hart. Stephen B is in the house. Let me finish Zoom here. All right, cool. Good morning, Awareness. What up? OGH in the building. Oh, man. All right. Ewan in the house. What up, Ewan? What up, Flip Flop? February King. What's good? All right, let me, did I share my screen there? I had to sneeze, my bad. All right. Boom, we're good here. All right, we're straight. Good morning, Fire Blaster. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in as you guys come on in here today. Give the stream a like. Finish one more thing. And I think we are good to go. I think we're good. Let me pray real quick, and then we'll get the day started. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day. We thank you for the opportunity, Lord, to just be together, be together, sharpen each other. We thank you for waking us up here today. I pray for anyone struggling here today, Lord, whatever it is that they're going through, I pray that they would find rest in you, that you would touch them, Lord, that your spirit would be with them. For some reason, there's a girl on my heart, Lord. I pray that whatever she's struggling with, it's something with a baby, Lord, that you would confirm to her, Lord, that you have a promise over her life, that her baby is well, and that you're going to do a blessing there. I don't know. It's on my heart. Maybe it goes to someone here today, Lord. Maybe someone watching the replay. But, Father, we thank you, Lord, to operate in the spiritual realm. This is much bigger than trading, Lord. But we ask that you bless this session as we do trade. We thank you for your presence and that we can come together and give you glory every day. So, Father, we thank you, and we do give you that glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. W. All right, let's get the day started. Yeah, for some reason, I don't know. The Lord just laid it on my heart that there's some girl out there. There's a girl. It's definitely a girl, and I don't know if her child is like dealing with something or if she's trying to have a child. But God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, my friend. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the day started, and we're gonna get to it. We're going to get to it here. So, hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you can join the free Discord here. Completely free. We're going to be doing a lot more stuff there. We're going to be hanging out there a little bit more. That's where you can catch us off the live stream. We'll be in that in the free Discord there. So you guys are more than welcome to come and join us. Myself and about 7,622 other amazing traders are in there. So we're waiting for you. We're ready to welcome you and bring you in and help you out. So let's go ahead and get the day started here. Today is the 18th of June. It is Tuesday. It's another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be patient, to be professionals, right? That's the best. When you can walk away each day and say, hey, I was patient, I was disciplined, and I was professional here today. That to me is a great trading day. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Again, today's the 18th here. It is June, it's Tuesday. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I know we got retail sales coming in at 8:30, so that should bring some volume into price here today. And then you also do have some yellow folders, right? Pretty much all throughout 8:30 into like 10 a.m. here. Let me use a different, right? All the way from 8:30 all the way into 10 a.m. we have news coming out. So there's going to be two red letter or red folder news. There's going to be one orange folder news here, and that's going to be at 9:15. And then you've got your yellow folders coming in here at I think this is 9:30 or 9:15 as well. So I think the main concern here, or not really even a concern, but just the main piece of this that we have to kind of be aware of is going to be core retail sales coming in at 8:30. That's going to rock that's going to rock price a little bit more than like these. So we just got to keep an eye out for 8:30 here today. And other than that, we are pretty good to go. Yeah, pretty much good to go. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. How's the music? Should I lower the music a little bit? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Thank you for your prayer. I'm here with my baby and I'm struggling with indecision. I join your live stream. Amen. Praise the Lord. The Lord is with you. The Lord is with you. That's all I have to say. Everything else he'll say to you himself. A little bit lower. Okay, let's lower the music a little bit. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. He's a promise keeper. I'll tell you that. He's a promise keeper. And he just wants you to believe. That's all. All right, let's go ahead and get into the day here. Let's go ahead and break even means BE means break even. So that means there wasn't a win or a loss on the trade. Just means nothing happened. Price got hit at entry. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and get started. Hope you guys like the stream for me. And let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis here. So taking a look at gold, let's go ahead and keep an eye on the daily time frame here for just a moment while we do the top-down analysis. So as you guys can see, man, we had this. Let's go ahead and backtrack here, right? So Friday, right? If we're looking at Friday's candle, which was this one kind of came down, broke all the lows, broke through support, broke through all of these supports as well, but failed to break through the main support, right? So if we're looking at the main area of support, I would say that that's right in this range. So as you can see, this candle fell shy and ended up falling short of closing below that area, right? We did wick into it. We also did wick into it the following day. We ended up pushing up, right? Bullish, bullish, bullish. And what we were doing at that point was retesting this previous range that we had just come from, right? And we weren't able to do it. We came into the range, we kind of rejected it here, and basically price just closed back below with this candle, and then on, I think this was on Friday or Thursday, we ended up pushing all the way down, breaking the lows, but only to come back up and do a fake out. Right, so only to come right back up, close above the range. So this was yesterday's this was Friday's closure, right? And yesterday established this fake out right here. So we have a daily fake out in front of us. Yesterday we were bullish based off of this closure, expecting price to fill this range here. But again, you know, we just kind of faked out, closed back below, and created a new resistance at this point. And that resistance has been formed, right? And if we look back at this range, this candle here closed below the range, right? We closed back below the range with this candle. Therefore, this guy here should come down, tap into support, and then maybe even come into these ranges towards like 2290. So there still is room on the daily. Let's go ahead and see how the 4-hour time frame looks, so we can get an idea of what candles are doing. So it looks like, yeah, it looks like the last, so you had a range here on the 4-hour, right? So you had a support, you had a resistance, or, you know, price kind of bounced off of it, came up. This was yesterday. Remember when we were waiting on a potential support to form here, right? We took this the sells from there yesterday, or was it sells? Yeah, sells from there yesterday, and then price ended up, you know, just kind of creating this lower high and moving back down. So if I get rid of all this, right, we can see now that the 4-hour candles, right, have pretty clean range coming down, right, towards like 2300. Now my issue here is that this guy closed with no bottom wick, right? Very little to no bottom wick. If we draw a line and we just kind of see, hey, is there any other activity where this candle closed with no bottom wick? Well, let's take a look. Support, support, previous resistance, supports. Yeah, so there is a few things recently that may cause this to be where price decides to do another little pullback. So we may potentially be in the same situation that we were in yesterday around this time, but I don't want to jump the gun too quickly. We did close bearish here. We did close below the range, therefore the drive down was necessary. Now, will we continue going, right? That's the question. So target on the 4-hour is these levels right here, which is 2300. But you know, will we get there? You know, this guy closing with no bottom wick is could be an issue. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 1-hour time frame real quick, and see if we can find some ranges here. So taking a look at the 1-hour, you've got, I would say, you have a support. So we've, by the way, let me just point this out real quick. We've been moving down now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the 8th 1-hour candle where we have not had any bullish candles at all. So we've been pushing down quite a bit. Sells for me on the break of this low are no bueno. No bueno for me. Not going to do anything like that. There's also a support sitting right here, and this may be the range we find ourselves in. Yeah, this looks like probably the range that we're going to chill in until NY open here. Let's see the 15-minute. 15 as a little resistance above there. Yeah, so I think what we're calling for is a pullback here on the 1-hour time frame, especially if the 4-hour has no bottom wick, or very little to no bottom wick. I think if you begin to flip bullish on this candle, then there is a potential that we can close something like this, right, later on today and pull back. Because the daily, in a way, if we're looking at the daily, right, I feel like I don't think we're gonna make a big move down here today, right? I really just don't see it. I feel like we've broken the lows. We're kind of tapping into support there. Price is very confused right now, right? If we look after this big pump on, I think that was NFP, we've just been very, very confused here, just trading, trying to figure out what we want to do. Do we want to get back into this range? Do we want to stay below? There's a lot of choppiness to the left. So you see how like this candle here created resistance, and then the next one, you know, didn't really do too much, and then before pushing up there. So yeah, I'm open for both buys and sells here today, depending on where these closures take place. But so far, I would say buys are pretty clean above 23.12. If we actually can get back up there, that's where you may see the break of this high, and then you may see 1-hour candles come up to number one, create a new resistance, but also, you know, these candles right here have no top wicks. So that may be an area of interest for price, and we'll see if we can potentially make some moves on the way back up, right? If we can catch the moves up, right, and then we wait for our resistance, and then later on catch a move back down. If this 4-hour candle does close bearish, then I think that's going to be a good play today. So that is it for me as of right now. I'm going to be looking at buys above, I would say 23.13, 670, and then the sells. I'm not taking sells. I'm not taking sells anywhere down here. If anything, I want to see price at least come back up to 23.13 before I take sells. Yeah, because we've just been pushing. We've been pushing pretty hard here. What would be really nice is if 1 hour on the 1 hour closure in 37 minutes, which lead us into NY Open, if we can close bullish, then I would say we have a really good shot at moving ourselves up into these ranges here. I would say into like 23.16, maybe even wick up into 23.20, right, to give those candles top wicks. And then that's where we may form resistance later, looking potentially something like this, right? So you have your 8 a.m. candle, you have maybe your 9 a.m. candle, right? And then price begins to drive back down later. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. Right now, just going to let price do its thing and see where we can go from here. Yeah, that's it. How many of you guys took sells? You guys took sells there in London? Yeah, it's a little tough right now, price action, because you don't have much. You just got this steady run down. So anytime you do have a steady run down like that, you're forced to consult with lower time frames like the 15-minute, you know. So there's a few ranges here, but I'm just going to hang tight and pay attention probably just to 23.12 and just kind of focus on this 30-minute time frame right now. Yeah. Yo, what up, Zebs? What up, Storm Player? Good morning, Edson. Got a buy stop, not activated yet. Nice. Oh, 2 buy stops. Nice. The bottom level, yeah, the reason you're struggling to see the bottom level is because there is none, right? Like it's not in our best interest to take sells here. So, and that even shows on the lower time frame. Like you have all these supports right here that you're gonna run into, right, on the lower time frame. So it's not in our best interest. You know, like this range right here was a little different, right? This range right here was a little different, but below here now, it's just very choppy. And to be honest, there's it's not a good sell, right? Especially after we've kind of pushed down so heavy at this point. We if we are going to sell, we want to see a pullback, right? We want to see how we react towards like 23.12, right? This range, because maybe we get a fake out here for price to continue down. Or, you know, we got to look at what happens up in these ranges at like 23.18. And like I said, price could even push up even further today. So yeah, no sells for me just yet. And there is really no good look down here. What is this? 24 pip range? Yeah, not the hottest. So what we want to see is if price can come down, now come up, and it leaves us clean range, right? Because if now we have clean range, then we can take our sells after seeing a resistance form, and now we have clean sells coming down. So that's kind of like my idea. The only issue, and it's not an issue for me, but it may be an issue for a lot of other traders, is you got to wait. You got to be patient, right? You just got to wait and let price do its thing. All right, let's mark this up. So buys above 23.12, buys above here, and then yeah, no sells just yet. So I'm just gonna leave this here as a support level, but I'm not looking to really take sells if we get a closure or anything down there. But yeah, that's it. So very rare that you see just one line here. Like once we create a support here in 3 minutes, which we will, then that's when we can put a line there. And I'm just gonna put it there now because it does look like we are gonna close bullish here in 3 minutes. Oh, clone. All right, perfect. Sweet. Got you, heart. Got you. So yeah, that's it, man. So we'll see if this no bottom wick 4-hour candle is the big issue here on the day, and we'll see what happens. Price wants to go down. We still have clean range to go down, but this candle here is being a problem, right? So that's why you start to see the rejection and the support here in about 2 minutes. You guys ever seen Molly's game? You guys remember Bad Brad? Right? Who kind of really just messed up the whole operation? That's Bad Brad right here, maybe. That's Bad Brad. Who's seen the movie? Yeah, I can't believe Bad Brad was the one to pretty much take down her whole operation. Crazy. Some of you guys said that's based on a true story, right? Yo, what up, Candle Slanger? Thanks for the tip yesterday. Top one gave me 25 account. Oh, 25 bonus. Oh yeah. If you guys are using our top one link and there's no 25% bonus capital, make sure you guys email them or send them a message there on the website. Let them know that you're with Time to Eat, and they will kindly and quickly add your 25% bonus capital to your account. What up, C Melly? C Melly in the house. Man, I took sells last night up here. Right here. Hold on. Was that it? I think that was it. This is London. Yeah, I think it was right here. Yeah, I took sells last night in Asian session though, so it wasn't the London sells, but caught this move right here. And this one right here. This was at about 9 p.m. I think this was taken. Yeah, it was very quick too, man. Partials got tapped, full target got tapped, and just that was it. Yeah, a lot of other people took this trade too, which is fire. Dylan got the crazy entry. Holy damn, Dylan. Yeah, partials for me was 19 pips, and I think the full target there was like 45, maybe 45. How can no one share here, but all of us took the same setup? That's because we got unity, man. That's because this isn't just like it's not your average YouTube live stream. Like, this is truly we all love to have fun and hang out, but I think a lot of us are truly in the hunt now, right? How many of you guys are deeper into the hunt than you were maybe 5 months before you found the live stream? Like, how many of you can really see it now, right? I feel like we're really all like on board, working towards really getting this thing, right? Not just saying we're traders, posting Instagram pictures. I mean, for real. Like, I mean, really paying your bills. I mean, really living your lifestyle with the money that you pull from the markets. So I think that's where there's a very just a prevalent, noticeable hunger out of this crew, and I love that because I love being around guys and girls that are hungry, that want to work, that are chasing after their bigger dreams and goals, and that's what we're doing here. And that's why you see people, you know, they're all over price, man. They're all over it. It's that hunger. The requirements for 25% bonus capital, you just have to use our link. Just hit ! top 1, I think, and use that link. And if you don't see it on the website, just message them and let them know that you're with us. What up, Clinks? Yeah, it's very easy to throw on a live stream and kind of just keep it as your background, sound, and, set up your charts and whatever, right? At that point, you kind of listening, kind of not. But there's people here who are listening, right? And I know you guys are listening, and I treat this as a duty, right? As a job. It's a leadership is a responsibility, right? It's not, just whatever, right? There's people watching. When you're a leader, you're an example, and I'm proud to be with you guys, because you guys really do take that mentorship and run with it. How many people have gotten funded and gotten payouts and starting to kick butt in their trading and get better in real life and off the desk, and it's just super cool to see a team just learning, growing, and becoming, right? Overcoming to become is the coolest part about it. Yeah. What up, money bag news? What's the news? Where the money bags? What up, Perez? Good morning, bro. Perez, man, crushing it too. I'm new to this channel. Hey, welcome in. How can you learn? You just show up, come by every day, ask good questions. Yeah, that's about it. Enjoy your time here. Take advantage of it. Yeah. Be hungry, be a good student. Oh yeah, Zoom link. Sorry guys. Whoops. There you go. Sorry, gang. No wonder why no one's joined me in Zoom yet. I'm all alone over here. Good morning, Richard Lewis. Amen, brother. Amen. What a gift. What a gift. Free gift at that. QCW. Molly's game was pretty good. I liked that. I watched like the first half like by myself. I just randomly threw it on one day when my wife was out, and I was just whatever, and so I watched half like that day, but then I was like, I watched the full thing with her last night. Yeah, it was pretty good. Did I take any trades today? No, the last trades we took were yes, I took a trade yesterday on the stream, and then one last night during Asian session. Let me get this out. No trades taken. No trades taken yet. Good morning, Mr. BTC in the house. Just watched and found this channel. Gonna watch and learn. AW Sebastian. Hi, Nick. Hey, yo. Man, I'm still trying to figure out how to say your name. Help me say your name, man. AYUSH. AYUSH. Ayush? 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 What up, Jason C in the building? Jason C. Ayush, did I say it properly? Ayush? I'm probably saying it properly, but not properly. Good morning, Mia. Hey, man, what up? What up, Rahul? What's good? What's good? What up, Trader Dre? What's good, my man? How you doing? Good to see you. The trade taken yesterday. Yeah, I usually post them after, I take them. So I posted it. What time was that last night? Like 9:20, 9:22. Yeah, a bunch of other people took this trade, which was fire. I think there was some more people. Yep, some more people, some more people, some more people, some more people. So what we're doing is working. You know, what we're teaching is working. Some more people. W. Great job. Great job. Almost feel like Raja now. You know, when Raja gets on, he's like, not only did I take it, but look how many other market fluidity members took it. You know what I mean? It feels good, man. TT's on the same page. We're all on the same page. Oh yes, yeah, we did. So I did put out a video of the recap of that trade. You guys can go check it out. It's on the YouTube channel. I'll probably do that a little bit more moving forward. And just kind of, it's a quick video. It's like a 5-minute, or what was it? 8 minutes. 8-minute video here. Right here. So trade recap 617. Just kind of trying to explain a little bit in brief about the, you know, target tap concept and all that good stuff. Here, I'll put the link for you guys right here. Give it a like too. Give it a like. Give it a like, why don't you? And also give the live stream here a like too. Yeah, I'm gonna do more trade recap videos. Yep. All right, so 30 minutes. So previous 30 closed bullish, but no top wick, right? So now, as I mentioned earlier, you're most likely gonna range here for a little bit of time until you come into NY open. Raja, my mentor, I learned a lot about this system and this strategy from Raja. Yeah, I learned a lot about candles, price action, ranges, volume, sessions, things like that from Raja. You know, I put a little bit of a system, my own system together, but yeah, a lot of candlesticks, price action, ranges, volume, sessions, a lot of like stuff on gold. I've learned a ton from Raja. He's been incredible in terms of like me studying him to try and get to where I need to be in trading. He's been awesome. Yeah. But we still trade slightly differently, right? So not every trade that I take will he take, and not every trade that he take will I take. So that's why you can never actually be exactly to the T like another trader. We are all unique in our own ways. We all have our own unique style of seeing things, and that's why when we do these trade battles, it's gonna show like a little bit better, you know, because there's it comes down to a lot. You know, you could even take the same trades, but someone's gonna hold longer, someone's gonna close earlier. Someone on certain trades, the guy who holds longer is gonna, you know, benefit, but on certain ones he's not, right? So it's gonna be pretty cool to see. But yeah, everyone's always gonna trade different. You're never gonna have like the exact result. Even if you come here every day, take every single trade I take with me, you still won't have the same result. Yep, I might close earlier than you. I might close later than you, right? Maybe I close early, you hold, and price doesn't go any further than the advantage point, you know? So it's going to be interesting to see the trade battles. I think we're going to do it tournament style too, so we can get a lot more people involved. And I think the winner of the tournament, I'll buy them like either a 100K or maybe even like a 200K challenge account. Yeah, man, it's gonna be we're gonna do a tournament style trade-off. So I think the tournament's gonna go for like a week or two, and then whoever's on top is on top, and you're gonna have people that are gonna get you know, taken out. They're gonna blow their accounts. So it's gonna be fun, man. It's gonna be a good time. Yeah. It's gonna be fun, man. I'm into that stuff. I'm a big athlete. I love competition. I think it's going to bring out some friendly competition. And one of my main goals here is I still want to keep this educational, right? I still want to somehow be able to learn some lessons and keep it educational. And I want to show you guys that when you really need it and the pressure is really on, you can get it, right? You can get it. So I want to see who's got the dog in them, and you know, who's gonna make it happen. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. That 200's calling his name. Yeah, we do it to have some fun and just have a good time. And then what we could do is we could even challenge other, like, so we could play within the TTE league. But then if this word gets out enough, then maybe we could start to challenge other players, like other like TTEs, you know what I mean? Like there's other people who have their other whatever, what do you call it? Brand, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, we could play against like other members, like TTE versus ICT or something like that. You know what I mean? Holy, we're gonna have the squad. It'll be like the Olympics. You know, the best of the best who come out of the tournament from TTE will be our representative in the Olympic game. TTE versus DVS, yeah, all fun stuff like that. Yep. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, we'll see who wants to join up and have some fun. Yeah, other communities. There you go, Wags. What up, Wags? Yeah, other communities. We'll pull up to them and we'll say, how you doing? All right. So we got 15 left here. So the 15 closure coming up. There's not much happening. Just going to sit tight and wait on NY open here. Looks like we could very well potentially close bullish here on the 1 hour. So yeah, all the communities. Yep. What will happen with TT in the future? Can we have a vision? Yeah, I think you guys know the vision for TTE. Most of you guys, you know, we want to. So right now, you know, we're in a sifting process, to be honest, right? We're looking for talent, right? We're scouting for the right people who I can pour my life into, right? The people that I can say, hey, you know, we vibe together. You know, you take mentorship really well, and we want to start some sort of time to eat trading firm. It's going to be online. It's also going to be offline, and we really want to develop 8-figure traders. You know, that's our call. That's our call to action, to develop 8-figure traders. This is just the first. This isn't even like the appetizer yet. What we're doing here on YouTube, right? We're gonna continue to sift through and find the best of the best, and we're probably not even gonna find the best of the best. My goal is to develop them. So not to find them, but to develop them, right? And a lot of them are coming out of the elite program. A lot of them are going to come out of this live stream here, and we want to see if we can get some 8-figure traders raised right here, homegrown, and the people that do come out of like this first batch are going to be eventually, you know, senior traders at the firm and being able to have the opportunity to coach other traders as well. And yeah, there's a lot of really big plans in the future for Time to Eat. We're literally just getting started. It's like we haven't even, it's time to eat, but it's like we haven't even sat down for dinner yet. We're still on the way to the table. Woo. Still on the way to the table. Any plans to set up the elite group calls? Yeah, that's coming in July. Yup. Yeah, I'm really looking to put together somewhat of an inner circle, right? You know, because there's always an 80-20 rule. Always an 80-20. So just trying to find the best 20, and then just trying to find the 80-20 within that 20. And then the 80-20 within that 20. Nobody knows nothing. We're gonna have fun doing it too. We're gonna have fun. One of the big things I'm into is traveling. So I want to travel with you guys and with your families, and you know, hang out and do things outside of trading. You know, play golf and you know, bring our beautiful wives out to the beaches of the world. Right? Just travel the beaches of the world together and you know, continue operating off of this Wi-Fi systematic income producing time that we're living in. Yeah, who wants to bring their families to the lake house? Hang out TTE style. Bring your kids. It's a place where you could bring your kids. You won't have people drunk and acting stupid. If anything, we'll be talking about the future, man. Talking about greatness in front of the fire, roasting marshmallows, having your kids be there to observe that, having your kids understand that as a way of life. I'm very big on the next generation, especially being that I have kids now. So I believe this next generation has a major calling, and they're going to rise up for God and do an incredible work. And, you know, it's up to us to lead by example and sometimes talk, right? But mainly lead with action. So, yeah, that's the vision. That's the goal. And it's going to be a good time. And we need you guys there. You know, we want you guys. We're going. So, like, we just want as many of you all as we can get to come with us. Yeah. We'll be talking. Yeah, that's right, Chala. We'll be sitting on the private island. Talking about, remember when we started TTE? Remember that one year we were, I don't even know. You ever thought of writing a book? I've already written books. I have about 4 years of daily documented journaling. Look at the 4 hour now, by the way, chat. The only thing I regret about journaling is that I didn't begin it earlier. Man, one thing I'm going to tell my kids and teach them is to journal. We're gonna have headquarters in mad different countries. Dubai. That Dubai headquarters. Can you see it? Can you visualize it? Because if you can't, you'll never be there with us. So can you actually get a vision on it? Can you actually see it in your brain, in your own mind, right? Can you see it right now? Or you're thinking, these guys are talking out of their, you know. Because if you can see it, you can have it. And guess what? While we're on those private islands, you better believe we're going to be working. Right? That's the cool part about living the dream, is that when most people go on vacation to do what? To escape their actual reality. They escape their actual life, knowing that they have to go back to it. But when you already live the life of your dreams and you stay on routine, right? You know, no matter where you are and what you're doing, you're staying on routine and you're just living the life of your dream in a different location. Yeah, like if I'm traveling, nothing changes. Same wake up time, same morning routine, Same journaling, everything. Nothing really changes. All right, 4-hour candle back up. Mr. Bad Brad causing a problem here. Journal the trades, or do you journal your day-to-day life? Both. That's why I was late today, because I was still journaling. And I'm sorry, but journaling comes before anything. I never miss morning journals, ever. Everything I've written in these journals have become my reality. So it's one of the most important things for me to do. All I can see is 8 figs. Yo, see Melly, we'll be out on the golf course, man. Playing with Trump. We'll troll Trump a little bit.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Vision. How do I journal my day-to-day life? So every day for the last 4 or 5 years, it's been the same exact layout. Can you see? Can you see the layout? So it's always been 5 things I'm grateful for, what my current monthly goal is financially, and then a letter to God or a letter to just a gratitude letter, you know, saying I'm grateful for all the things that I actually don't even have yet, but that are coming, right? They're already mine. So I'm grateful for them. So like earlier on, I would be grateful for a 100K account that I did not yet have, but I'm having gratitude in advance, you know, acting as if, right? Treating my feelings as if. It feels so good now to have a $100,000 trading account. It feels so good now to finally be out of debt, although you may still have some debt, right? And then you got to obviously you can't just say that, you got to have a plan, but to reiterate that and go through that repetition day in and day out is really how you can kind of tell your mind what it is that you want, right? And then again, once your mind knows, your mind goes. So once your mind knows the way, it goes the way, and you just gotta, you know, do the work. Telling the traders about Jesus too. Yeah, Jesus, man. You know, you guys, a lot of you guys think so wrong about this man named Jesus, man. This guy he was the man, right? He still is the man. The Bible says everywhere he went, he had crowds around him. Everywhere he went, he had crowds around him. Everywhere he went, right? You guys think Jesus is whatever the church or the religion, whatever Billy Bob told you about him, right? Man, go to the Bible, right? Go to the Word of God. Go find out who Christ is. Ask him to speak with you. He's alive, right? He's living. He rose from the dead on the 3rd day. He's alive. That same power that rose him from the dead lives within you. All you got to do is speak to him, right? Stop taking Billy Bob and Jimmy Jones' idea of Pastor Jimmy. Nah, go to the Word, go to the Bible, ask the Holy Spirit to be that middleman for you so you can truly connect, because Jesus, man, Jesus is the man. Praise the Lord. All right, we got a closure coming up here in about 3 minutes. It is Yeshua, yeah, but people also call him Jesus, right? So we don't have to get like super like hurt about when we call him Jesus, right? Jesus knows. Right? What does God look at? Our heart. Our heart. So if you say his name wrong or pronounce it a little bit different, it's okay. What can his name really be? Truth. Let's call him Truth. All right, 2 minutes left. Two minutes. Can we get a closure? The 4 hour has flipped bullish. So step one, 4 hour flipping bullish, right? So that was kind of what we were looking for here, as bad Brad could have caused the problem there. The 1 hour now is coming back up. So we've broken the 1 hour highs here. There's also this range right here. That's pretty important that we close above that, but not necessarily a deal breaker. 30 minutes looks like it's closing above though. 30 minute has to close above. So the 1 hour definitely has to close above then. And then you got clean range. Right, you got pretty clean range coming up towards, I would say, these areas here at like 23.17. So that would probably be first destination here, which is about 38 pips away, and then you got to move up towards like 23.22. So we'll see how we close here in 1 minute and see if we have any buying opportunities. Stop loss for what trade? What trade? What are you talking about? Oh yeah, here's my trade from last night. So that's my trade from last night. So basically it was a 15-minute onion, right? Coming down, partials taken right here to give that candle a bottom wick, and then, you know, targets down there. All right, let's see how we do here on the closure. We got NY open upon us. And let's see if we can close above and make a bottom wick and all that beautiful stuff. Green. Green's back, ladies and gentlemen. We missed you, Green. We missed you, bro. I called you last night. You didn't pick up my call. But you show up to the live stream? Okay. No doubt, no doubt. No doubt. What up, Xander? Called my boy Green, check in on him, see how his trip went. You know, just wanted to make sure he's good. Haven't seen him on the live stream. Voicemail. I was going to text you and just be like, wow. Wow. Had to run over to Wix's stream real quick, see if Green was participating there, just ignoring me. I didn't know what was going on. Oh, Green's stirring up the pot here. Motion. Motion. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have a buy stop here. See if we can go long here on gold. We got a closure above, which is good. Yeah, so we'll see what's up. We got our closure. So if we could break the high there, I'm gonna go long here on gold and see if we can get a push. So taking a look here, you've got clean candles to the left hand side, right? So as we plan our trade here, you've got pretty clean candles. So very, very nice range to go up towards like 22 here. I would say partials are going to be somewhere around 23.17. If we can get there, that's where I'm going to close my partials and then let the rest of it run. Yeah. I think we measured that already, right? That's about, yeah, about 35 pips. We got volume coming in, so we should be good if we start flipping and break the highs. Should be good to go. We are calling for a bit of a pullback here on the 1 hour time frame. 4 hours also bullish as well now, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Entries on the previous, yeah, so my entry is going to be on the current candle because I'm going to use the previous candle as my stops. So my stops are sitting below the previous candle here, so current candle should be good. If you want, you can use the previous candle as well, and maybe even just keep your stops below the current candle. Yeah, so if you don't want like pretty big stops like I have them, then maybe just use the previous as your entry, or even this wick, and then you can keep your stops, you know, sitting probably right here. Should be good. Yeah, I think I may do that anyway. I think that's actually going to be a little bit of a better idea, is to have the current candle and then just have stops sitting a little bit better here. I'm not going to use the current candle low. I'm going to use like back in the range here. Good observation. Good observation. Oh yeah, you're right. Actually, I gotta log into my top one account real quick. Go, go, go. Well, let me log in. This will probably be my first trade here on the 200K live account too. Wow, that was a long password. Sheesh. All right, cool. Thanks for the reminder. We're in. We're in top one. What up, Lights Fire? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my friend. How you doing? How you doing? Are you going to delete if we're not activated before news? Yes. Yeah, if it comes towards like, if we get closer to news here, I'm going to delete. Are you worried about the 4-hour previous bear and 4-hour previous bear? Not really. Like, my idea here is that we would potentially come up to make top wicks. So we're gonna want to pull back, right? And that pullback may come up for this top wick and then this guy right here. So that's kind of like my my thoughts here. But we'll see. You know, we'll see what happens here. NY open. We're pre-news here. Probably gonna leave this open till about 8:15ish. And if we don't get activated, then we'll delete and we'll wait for the closure here. But so far, that's a perfect bottom wick, and if we re-break the 4-hour highs now, I think it should push, you know, go ahead and give us a push. I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. I have a buy stop. Buy stops, not activated yet. Yeah, my idea on the daily is that we could pull back here, right? We spent first 2 sessions, Asian and London, really driving down. Now we could begin to pull back, right? I mean, we do have a little bit more room to go on the daily. I would say down towards like 2303, maybe even a little bit lower. But you kind of seen like the same things happen here, right? Where price didn't really follow through too much, especially in the New York session. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I think this pullback could work out, but there's no guarantee. No guarantees. So am I saying full margin? Kinda. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. A little bit. Any recommendations for a good prop firm in Europe? Yeah, Top One Trader. Top One Trader, man. We're gonna see if we can get a Top One to sponsor us for our tournament. I got my live account with them a couple days. I think it was yesterday, actually. So got a 200K live account with them guys and ready to run it up. John Stew is in the house.
Yo, yo, yo.
What's good, John?
Morning, brother Nick.
How you
Pop.
doing?
How you doing?
How are you, bro?
I'm doing great, brother. How are you doing?
Fantastic.
Nice. We got a lovely morning here.
Blessed and highly favored, man.
Sir, same here, bro. Grateful for another day. Thank you, Jesus.
Amen.
Got some 8 a.m. action here. Let's
Possibly. Possibly.
Ring the bell. NY open.
Yes, sir. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Yo, what's good, chat? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Let's go. Another day to be great. Another day to be grateful for life and to execute on our goals. Hey, yo, what's good, Green? Good morning, bro. How was Vegas, man? It was good. It's good. PM Magnifico. What's good? Energy, Yanosh, Purpose, Coach Carter, Louis G. Hope you guys are doing great. You already know the vibes. Good morning, Andrew. What's good, man? Good morning, George. Alexander, good morning. Lights Fire, good morning. Good Buzz Blab, LeGrand.
Coach Carter. I like that. What a movie.
Right. Hey, chat, life of a trader right here. See edge, execute edge. Right? See edge, and we execute. Zero hesitation. We get paid to execute.
Get paid.
And we allow the game of probabilities to fall as they may.
Yes, sir. Coach Carter. Is the 15-minute
Dominic.
resistance an issue? It could be, but during times of volume, it shouldn't be too crazy. We're breaking the 4-hour high, or on my entry, that's the 4-hour high there. So, yeah,
Pretty much the anticipation of like the 4-hour making a steeper top wick, and potentially creating support.
yep. Can't forget to take this on top one.
Hey, yes, sir, bro. Don't forget that.
Do, 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 do.
Hey, thanks, Dominic. Appreciate that.
Why didn't you enter on the break of the current candle? Because this high here is the 4-hour high too. So if it's the 4-hour high plus the previous candle high, I think it's got good confirmation. A little bit better than the current candle, and I think the difference was like 4 pips. Yeah, like almost 5 pips.
One minute for the 15 closure.
Hey, give me 1 second, right? I'll be right back.
But yo, what's good, Ryan? It's good. What's up, Chala? Yeah, I feel that, bro. You're trying to be cautious of news. Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, y'all, if you're worried about news, just don't play buy stops. All right, it's all good. There's another trade coming for you. What's good, Stoned LA? Goody. What's up, Johnny Boy? How's NY? Oh, NY's going great, man. It's going great. Thanks for asking. I already had to get myself a bacon, egg, and cheese. You know the vibes. Yo, chat, anyone catch those Asian cells last night? I saw those were very nice. Very nice. And anyone do anything in London? Look like London cells were pretty nice too. What's good, Storm Potato? It's good, man. Call London session sells, nice, good stuff. Asian session, nice, good stuff. Traders X, lovely. Y'all are eating. Y'all are cooking. Hey, bro, come to Dubai. Bro, one day. One day, I'm definitely coming to Dubai. For sure. It's actually on my bucket list. Oh, Davey P, bro. We don't skip push-ups, man. That's the thing, bro. The only thing that changes for me is my environment. The actions stay the same, right? Because the actions is what's gonna get me the results, right? Remember what Bob Proctor said: thoughts trigger feelings, feelings trigger actions, and actions trigger results. So, got to keep those actions the same, right? If you're looking for certain results, you got to have certain actions.
Sound familiar, chat?
Sure, it does.
Oh, All right, so I've been activated here. So we've broken the 4-hour highs again. My stops are kept back in the range here. Looking to target up in these like 23, 23 areas, and that's the trade, man. That's the trade. Yeah, so if we're in for news, I'll probably go, depending on where we are, I'll probably go BE and then just hang on for the ride.
Yeah, I might even I got previous candle stops right now. I may even like trail them.
Yep. Same routine, different location. Joe too, right? Same routine?
Yeah.
Same one from here, yep. Chilling.
What's good, Susanna?
Susanna, what's good?
Yeah, man. DJ Scratches. I feel like setting goals doesn't really work for me. It can, but instead of setting goals, I like to just do it. I like to just take action on those ideas that I have.
Yeah, a lot of people caught sells last night. Those were really good sells.
Kind of got like activated. That push up was really quick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See what 820 does.
$1 a.m. till 2 a.m. Oh, nice. Where was that? Hourly. There was a really nice celery play. Where was that? That was this one? Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, that was nice. That happened pre New York. 6 a.m. candle pushed down. It's good. That was good. That was good.
Good work.
Do I think the news will have a huge impact? It'll have an impact. It's a red folder news, so it will definitely have some impact here. Core retail sales is pretty impactful. So we got 820 coming up here in about 1 minute. 1 minute.
$820. Do is good. Do is good.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my stops below the current candle low now. So below that current candle low, I'm gonna move my stops, managing risk a little bit better. Going from about 39 pips to about 24 pip stops here, and then we'll see if we can make our way up.
It makes sense, especially on the second half of this 30-minute candle.
Yeah. News in 10. Hold on. Hold on tight.
Hold on to your shoes.
Yeah, so I move my stops underneath the current candle. If we break that low, I really don't want to be in this anymore. So that's why I got my stops on the break of the lows, because if we kind of do break the low, that means we will most likely close back in the range. Therefore, news will probably push us down. Yeah. Got BE. Yeah, I didn't go break even. I didn't want to go BE. I think we were, what, 11 pips? Yeah, 11 pips. Yeah, I didn't go break even.
Feel that. Feel that.
Pre-New York. So we had a little bit of a push up. Let's see if comics could continue to fulfill its mission. The 5 there closed with no top wick, so. Got 10 pips. Nice. Hold on to your pants. Hold on to your pants, mate. News might take us for a ride. We got news in 8 minutes here. What up, Shafiq? What's good? What's good? Yeah, not a bad idea going. Some of you guys went break even. Not bad. News in 10, news in 7. Can we survive? We may break the low and get... So my original stops were sitting below here. Let's see if we actually hit the... I don't really want to be in this anyway if we break the low. Because that tells me that we may start our move back down now. So I really don't want to be participating in that. So if we do take the loss here, it'll be totally fine. Cut my loss in half already, so that's perfect. If we can close and remain above the range, that would be awesome, because then that's when we should see the push up on news, right? If you can get the current candle to remain above, and then news kind of takes us up like this.
That'd be great.
I don't know why London Sessions always sells. Not always, but it has been lately. Yeah, I almost want to use my my original stops here and wait for the closure, but I think I'm gonna keep it right where it's at, and if it breaks the low, I'm cool with getting out. Just hold the line. What are those purple and gray points? These are just, so this was a range that that price was just trading in. So the purple points are typically like my range where I look for buys above or sells below after candles close. And then the gray zones are typically like my target areas. News in 5. Yeah. If we're still in, we're going to go for the ride with news here. Took 2 L's on Friday. You only added 1. Let me see. Two. We got him. We got him. We got him. Hold on. Oh, you mean the actual... Oh, the record on OBS? Let me hold on one sec. Oh, yeah, you're right. We didn't add one of those losses. Let's add it now. So 4. So 16 and 4. Wow, just about 80-20 on the year so far. 80-20. Push up. Push up. Push. Don't do it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. 80, just about 80-20. Chat, what are you doing? Tell price to move up here, not down. Oh, I'm almost gonna be, I think I'm gonna get out here. If we start breaking through these lows, I'm out. Yep, I'm out of here. So, all right, so I took this, so I'm getting out right here at 27 pips instead of this like 46 pips, 48 pips. And then just gonna let news do its thing, because now we may have a fake out if we actually close below here. Let's start blowing up. Yeah, you could wait too if you haven't closed yet. Wait for a closure here. I think I just got out. Top one, I'm gonna wait on a closure here. Yeah, that's perfect. I think the last two L's we managed risk really good too. All right, so let's see what happens here if we just nip there, and I want to see if we close above or below here. And if you do close above, you should be good to continue up, but closing below is a bit sketchy. Yeah, that's where you may drive down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my God, I'm loose. Oh my God. Welcome to trading. Yeah, we got 1 minute for the closure here. So let's see how this candle closes in 1 minute. But I'm out for the fun now. Went break even. Yeah, break even wasn't bad. If you had the current candle highs, that was probably a little bit better because you were like 18 pips, but I think I only seen maybe like 12. Yeah, 12. So yeah, I had different plans, which was to keep holding up until that area there, figuring that potentially 820 will begin to, you know, push us up, but we went down. We went down. Yeah, that 5 minute with no top wick ended the party for us there. But look, we're still remaining above. Closure still happening above the range here. So 16 seconds, 13, 10. Hold on. Hold on to your pants. Ooh, look at that. There it is. Well, congrats to all those who held on and didn't get stopped. I think I got stopped by 1 pip, 1 or 2 pips. W idea. W idea. So original stops would have held there. So maybe shouldn't have trailed stops in that case. That's something I'll note. Original stops would have held strong. Yeah, target would have got tapped. 54 pips. If you took it, spam a W in the chat. John, were you in there?
Nah, bro.
You got out at the current candle? I mean, the current candle
Yep.
low?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Happens. We'll take it on top one though. How you doing? Yeah, nice move. W's in the chat. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, we good. Yeah, nice. Yeah, no, that was perfect. Yeah, as long as we closed above and that news came out, price was good to go. 1 hour was super clean. 4 hour rebroke the highs. Very good. Very, very good. Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. Flips the table. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, if you guys didn't take that, don't stress it. Yeah, that was nice though. Partials was where was partials? Yeah, partials would have been tapped. $16 pips, nice. Never traded news before. $40 pips, W. Dubs. Hey, if you took that, like the stream. Like the stream. Yeah, what a trade. What a good read on that, right? I mean, the only issue was this one candle coming back down by like 3 or 4 pips. Other than that, candle pretty much closed above the range if we're looking at the range here, and blast off. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, give the stream a like. Give the stream a like. Oh, I was going to say, 68 likes. Man, even 359. That means 1,000 of y'all just chilling. Can't even go hit the like. Can't even go hit the thumbs up. How to calculate pips? Just use the tool, the measure tool. And then there you go. Who's holding? Anybody holding? Yeah, 1 hour, beautiful. That's bad math. That's just bad math. Pip and dip without a like? Yo, if you pip and dip without a like, damn. It's one thing to pip and dip, but at least leave a like. What up, AB Mike? AB Mike, tell him, leave a like, man. That's right. Sometimes you do need a bit of luck. That is true. That trade just pushed me to get funded. Let's go, Davey P. Congratulations. W. Let's go. Pass my evaluation. W. Let's get it. Close full at 40 pips. Nice, Stevie Mac. Good job, guys. Good job, good job. I closed at vantage point 36 pips. Nice, man. All right, AB Mike. We'll see you soon, bro. We'll see you soon.
Peace, bro.
Soon. Yo, what up, Alan Forex? Yeah, so that's one of those ideas where if you're breaking the 4 hour high there, plus closing above on like a 30-minute, 1 hour time frame like you did, with some news coming in, obviously the news helped, right? But yeah, the idea according to price action was there. Oh, I'm up 3% on phase 2. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm hyped too. I'm hyped. I'm up like 2% there. Almost 4,000. 4,000 on the live account. One trade, man. You don't have to hit too much on these bigger accounts. Couple good hits and you got a good month ahead of you. Good morning, Sandman. What's good, bro?
Good, Sandman.
Would you have taken the 5-minute entry? Nah. I don't even look at the 5-minute. Sandman in the building. Open a second? Nah. I'm gonna take my 4K here today. And that's it. Do you still use range 2? Yeah, I do. But I think I use flow a little bit more now. And you guys may say, wait, what's flow? I never heard that. I think really just developing my eye for the chart day in and day out has really helped out in terms of getting a good read, like really understanding when range 2s you have to wait for them, when sometimes you don't have to wait for them. You know, when you can go against the bias, when you should wait for the bias. So I've been learning a lot, I would say, over the last like 6-7 months that I'm beginning to apply, right? So just kind of staying in flow with the markets and in sync with them has helped me more than anything. How long did it take to pass the phase 2 part? 11 days. Up 10% on the day. Holy.
Y'all are eating.
Sell limit. Yeah, so targets are up here towards 24. So I'm not too interested in selling just yet. At this point, I'm probably gonna wait on the 4-hour, and if the 4-hour closes with like no top wick or near its own target, then that's probably where I'll look for those impulse opportunities. But we'll see if we get up there. Printing. No, I didn't re-enter. I'm out. No one knows nothing. That's right. Yeah, it might be coming up. But definitely got to see how the 4-hour closes here. What up, Ali Reza? Yo. How do you deal with getting stopped out by 2 pips and it smashes your? It's not the first time. You take the trade on another account too. No, just kidding. Yeah, I mean it happens. You know what I mean. You gotta make decisions and live with them in life, and this should just be an opportunity to understand that. You know, life goes on. You take it on a full margin account also. Yeah, nah, I mean, in all seriousness, I mean, you make a plan, you got to stick with it, you know, and you got to deal with the result of that, and you just keep it moving. All right, if we can make our way up towards like, what is this, 24 here, that'd be awesome. Start wicking into here and struggling a little bit, that'd be great. 4 hour, we never broke previous 4 hour highs. Daily still, you know, in decent shape, but looks like everything we talked about on the daily kind of panned out as well here. Daily 4 hour, we had a really good read here. I think news got into the way a little bit. That's why I got a little bit aggressive there with moving stops, but other than that, it was pretty good. Pretty good, and it should tap target here. Yeah, next opportunity. The cool part about opportunities is they just keep coming. They just keep on coming. Yo, what up, Billy? Good morning, bro. Billy O'Neill in the house. They're trying to... You ever get those emails? They try and like scam you or something. They're like, hey, $6 grand has been taken out of your bank account. No. Why you lying? Yeah, top one is they've lowered the leverage, that way you don't have to. I actually like that too, because it forces me not to go super big on my trades. And the idea behind that is for them to get all the things out on the front end, so that way when it's payout time, the last thing that has to happen is, oh, you know, you were over leveraged, or you did this or you did that, or whatever these firms be saying. So that's why they're just trying to protect everyone from, you know, having to experience that when it comes payout time. If you just trade light and low from the beginning, you won't have to worry about, you know, any of that. Caught the sell in London, buy in New York, W. All right, yeah, so that is almost at destination now. We'll see where we go from here. For those of you guys who won accounts yesterday, rest assured we're submitting them all today. I think TK got a little busy, had to travel around and stuff yesterday, so yeah, I don't think he was able to get most of them in, but I think there's only like 3 of you left, so we'll get them all submitted today. All right, yeah, there's target right there, so we should tap there, and then that should kind of be like the target tap concept can potentially start to play out here. Yeah, I do want to see a 4-hour closure though, because we can push right through here now in the 4-hour. What a trade. No stream tomorrow? Yeah, no stream tomorrow, guys. So we won't be live streaming tomorrow. It's a bank holiday here in the US. And I've got some other plans to, got some other things to do during the session. could the sells play out here? Can we go? Yeah, target tapped. Target tapped. I'm not leaving. Did you catch a trade? I did. Yeah, I did. So I got stopped out on this account by like 1 or 2 pips, but I got it in on my top 1 account. Traders X, let's go. Yeah, so I took a win-loss there, you know? I took a lose-win. I don't know. What's the middle between W and L? That's what I got. Why are you more aggressive on your personal account than your funded? Shouldn't it be the opposite? Nah, because this one I want to get to 100K. So if price does go against me, I want to cut it. I want to cut them quickly. For the most part, especially before news, right? I want to cut those quickly. That way, my losses aren't too big as I strive to get to 100,000. Like this is like my baby, right? I have to really take care of this account. If I want to get it to 100K, right? So this is the one where I'm going to be more like professional on. And then, you know, the other ones are going to be a little bit more loose. So maybe it should be the opposite. I don't know, but it's opposite day. It's opposite day. Yeah, so that was the first trade. So it went up 2%. So it made about 4,000 on the account today. First trade on the live account. So we'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah, this one I want to, really try and get this to 100K. SpongeBob, yeah, exactly. If SpongeBob says it, then that's what it is. Guitar vibes, yeah. So look, this was a pretty decent impulse entry here. So you tap target, rebroke the low, now you're starting to drive down for this last 15 of the 4 hour here. Nice. You did break the highs though. How many trades do I take until I do a payout? I don't think I do it like that. So I'm just gonna trade, you know, up until the payout time, and then I'm probably just gonna take a payout. Yeah, on this account too, this is gonna be, I'm probably gonna do a lot of break even on this account. Like once I get rolling and I'm in the trade, I'm gonna just go break even and then just let things rock, because I really don't have to hit too much to have like a potential like 15, 20, maybe even $25,000 month. So yeah, so good trades, taking them once they're out the gate, gonna go break even and let a lot of these ones just run. Yeah, 4 hour targets got hit, yep. SpongeBob for Prezi. SpongeBob for Prezi. Let's do a fresh analysis here. We've got 8 minutes left on the 4 hour candle. So let's just go ahead and do get a fresh perspective on what's going on here, you know, especially on this daily time frame now. So the daily candle has created resistance yesterday, right? We also closed back in the range. So we had a range right here, in which the daily candle yesterday was able to close back in that range. Therefore, you know, leaving a wick, we should go ahead and fill the wick and then make our way down to support, right? So that's kind of like the targets there on the daily. We did push down quite a bit, and we've been pumping back up here. So the move down was during Asian and London, and New York has been, you know, really pulling us back up here. So let's see what that pullback looks like on the 4 hour. So that's your 4 hour candle. So we knew that this candle here closing with no bottom wick could be like the fall, right, for the continued move down. So we know that there's a support here, right? So I think if you close below support, there's still a high opportunity for price to continue down on the next 4 hour candle. You also have resistance up here. So depending on where we close in the next 7 minutes, we either have a potential wick to fill, or we have this like closure below, and then I would expect the next candle to do something like this, right? Look something like that if we close below that range. So that's what we got on the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour again. 1 hour has tapped target as expected here, and now we're just pulling back here. So let's see the 30-minute time frame. 30 minutes got, yeah, nothing's really changed, I would say, since this morning. But now I'm open to take sells, right? So remember, I wasn't open to take sells down here, but now I am, right? Now that we're way up here and we were able to do what I expected, which was to give these candles top wicks, now sells don't look too bad here. So let's see how we do. There's also another range, I would say, right around these areas here. Let me see something. Yeah, I would say right around these zones here. Yeah. So if we close below there, that looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. We'll see how we do. If we don't close above and we close like right at it, then that may be our opportunities to take sells. So we want to see price kind of push up a bit and then break the low, and then that's when we may be able to get a drive down. Yeah, other than that, we need to wait 5 minutes here and watch how this candle closes. But yeah, what a great opportunity here. Daily looks like it wants to head back south again. So we'll see. Trading view isn't working? Oh, your trading view? Damn. Damn, Daniel. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. So yeah, we just gotta wait now. So 4 minutes of waiting, and then we'll get a read on how we close here. But yeah, what a move. 100 pip move. That could have been the liquidity. Yep, could have. Yep. Yeah, now because if you start to break the 1 hour lows now, right, boom right here, then that's where you should drive. Looking something like this.
Hold all the way back. Crazy.
Daily coming back to Florida. Any impulse why you didn't, any reason why you didn't execute on the impulse? Yeah, I just wasn't paying attention to it. Otherwise, it looked pretty good. Oh yeah, no, I was waiting for the 4 hour to close. Because we could have easily, being that we were aggressively up here at that time, we could have pushed up, right, and closed above the range here. So yeah, that's why I didn't want to execute right here, as the 4 hour candle was trying to make a decision of whether it wants to push up or actually pull back. Yeah, we broke that high too. Wow, what a pullback here. Hope y'all took partials, man. To the decimal almost. Right? 2023, what was that? 23, right? That was our target right there. Price action, baby. That's all you need. Yeah, so let's keep in mind that this 4-hour candle is closing bullish. Is most likely going to close bullish here in 2 minutes. Where to decide targets? You just have to really have a good eye for the charts. You know, I mean, sometimes people want to set goals and they say, well, you know, I want to take a trade and I want to have a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 5 or whatever it is that they say, or I need at least 100 pips or whatever it is, right? But you got to play the markets that are in front of you. So for me, this was the overall target right here, right in this zone, because that's where we had the clean traffic until, right? So see how powerful the NY Open push is with volume, that we recovered the whole move from last night. So that's your first area of interest, right? So you can say, hey, I'm going to target these areas, but you have to keep in mind what's going on to the left-hand side. So for me, like, you have somewhat of a partial TP, TP1, right? You got TP2, and then maybe that's your full TP up here. But you just got to look left and find what the candles are saying, right? And where we could potentially reject from. And that becomes your targets. All right, 4-hour closure coming up. Pulled all the way back here. Damn.
Crazy.
And even if I didn't catch out on the top one, I still wouldn't be salty, right? Because like I said, I made a plan, I had a decision, I made it, and that's what you have to live with, right? Because if price would have went down, we would have said, man, we're geniuses. So happy we got out at the break of that current low, right? So you just got to have a plan, stick with it, and, you know, live with the outcome of it. All right, cool. So a new 4-hour candle has opened up, starting to push up right off the jump. 30-minute created support with a wick to fill. 15 not looking the hottest. So yeah, I'm just going to wait a few minutes here. That's the way the cookie crumbles. LeGrand, good to see you, man. You done with the busy season or what?
Grant.
LeGrand. Big LeGrand. Someone did say crumble, didn't they? Yo, crumble's evil. All right, those people are evil, man. My wife like signed up to their whatever it is, you know. Man, they be hitting you on the Mondays with the email like, it's mini Monday. It's mini Monday. Like, yo, how you going to do that to people? People got their goals set. They got their Monday coming up, right? They want to set the tone for the week. And then you just hit them with we got mini Monday. You can get any cookie, only the mini version. Most people are like, yeah, we'll start Tuesday.
You already know people are looking forward to mini Monday.
I told my wife, rebuke that email. Rebuke it.
That's the demon of overindulging.
Messing with people. Hey, to be honest, one of the the best weapons the enemy has is food, right? It's food. What did he tempt Eve with? Food, right? There's been so many temptations based off of food, and it still happens today. Every big company is evil. Yes, Marcus, you said it, not me. W. Like, don't send me an email. If I want a cookie, I'll come get it. Told my wife, unsubscribe. Let me see you do it right now. Let me see you do it. Yeah, this actually looking pretty good. I'm not buying this move up currently, especially with no bottom wick on the 4 hour here or anything. So I'm gonna give this just a few minutes, and then we're gonna take a look at things. What trading platform do I trade on? I trade on Trade Locker and Trading View. Yeah, my top one account's on Trade Locker, and then my personal accounts here on Trade Ovate, which I use Trading View to trade with. Yeah, Peter, there is a very high chance. The only thing is this support right here. So if we break the lows, right, we don't want to break the lows, like turn bearish and break the lows just to create a wick, right, for price to keep moving up here. So that's where things are a little tricky on the first few minutes of this 4 hour candle here. How's Trade Locker? It's been pretty good. I've just been using it on my phone. So yeah, not bad. Yeah, I got it on my phone. I'm just like, let me leave that there and this here. That way I'm not jumping from like platform to platform. And I don't have a copy trader outside of the super duper handy dandy copy trader. But that may be out of your budget. TK's in the house. Yo, TK. Check Discord ASAP. Top one's good. Yeah, with Trade Locker I haven't had an issue or anything with Trade Locker. First time using it too. I haven't looked into any copy traders. Nah, I haven't looked in because the thing is right now I really don't care for the copy trader because I am using a futures. Like I'm trading both futures and CFDs right now, so I don't think there is a copy trader to link those. So I couldn't use one anyway. If they were both like forex accounts or both futures accounts, then I might be able to do that. But they're both too different, so. Yeah. Otherwise, I would. $15-minute onion. Yeah, if we weren't so next to support, man. I like what the 4 hours doing though. It's moving up and it's got no bottom wick. So if it does break after moving up like this and it breaks that low, it should actually begin to drive down. So I'm just sitting tight right now and just hanging out. Traders Connect does futures with forex. I don't think they do. I might be mistaken though. Damn, Don got banned? That's crazy. Yeah, the 4-hour candle's a little bit later. Same thing with my futures chart. If you guys see my 4-hour, see how my 4-hour candle's still open? So don't worry, I'm with you guys. I usually only focus on Oanda. Is that the wick fill? It could be, but there's no bottom wick here, so something tells me that we're not going to get it. That we're probably going to start to pull back at some point, and if we break that low, we should maybe start moving down in the 4-hour. What's my biggest trade in pips? To be honest, I don't even know. 150 maybe. 5,000 pips. Yeah, I don't even know. Pay the fee. How's it going over there, John? Jean?
Oh, bro, it's going great.
Where's Joey Stu? Ain't that?
It's going great.
Did you guys get that American thing?
Yeah, last
I
night.
knew it.
Yeah, I actually didn't get it though. Just Joe
I
and
knew that too.
Yeah.
Joe, everywhere Joe goes, he just finds the cookies, man. What is that place called? Great American Cookie.
Great American Cookie.
Holy.
Yeah. Smells amazing and stuff, but I didn't get anything. Let's go, TK.
TK. Do you remember me, Nick? Yeah, I remember everyone. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Do you remember me? What's good, AB Mike? Louis G, I don't know if he does. Honestly. What's good, Perez? What's goody? Yo, Nick, that's funny. What's good, Heart? Yeah, chat. I'm just chilling, waiting for another opportunity here. How safe is Tradeovate? It's US regulated, so it's pretty safe. There is no manipulation and slippage and stuff like that, and it's regulated in the US, so it should be good. Yeah, I'm using Tradeovate and I've been loving it, so no problems here. 9:15 at news, yeah, an orange folder. We'll see what's up. May not be too crazy.
Tradeovate's probably actually safer than the bank at this point.
Oh, come on. I would agree 100%. I wouldn't even keep my money in the bank. Once you know what they're doing with it, you know?
You ain't got no money in the bank.
Yes, I did, Marcus. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sells last night, buys today. Maybe we get some more buys today. Maybe we get some more sells today. We'll see. We'll see.
Just being patient right now.
930 cheat code. How you doing? Shh, don't tell anyone, Louis G. Can you use Tradeovate on C-Trader? I don't think so, but maybe we could ask Google. All right, 9:12. We got a few more minutes on the 15 closure here. So we're gonna see how the 15 closes, and then we may have something. I think we have more news coming out at 9:15 here. Yeah, so we got some orange folders, yellow folders coming out. So let's see where we go. What was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. What's the good word for today, John? What are you guys doing out there?
Just chilling. I think me and Maddie are gonna go hang out by the pool, and then I'm hitting up Burger Loft later.
Ooh.
Yes, sir. So, pretty busy day. I haven't had Burger Loft in a minute, so looking forward to it.
Fire.
Yes, sir. What about you?
You know, regular.
Yeah, I feel that.
Okay. I will buy a Ferrari.
Green.
Let's go. W.
Yo, Green, I'll pull up. I'll be over there a little bit later today. Yo, Green, you were at the Celtics game last night?
Probably.
Let's get it.
The man don't play.
Congrats on your win, Green.
All right, 9:15 okay, so we did close here at 9:15. So let's go ahead and see something here. So we've got resistance, we've got support. Let's see if we can come up and make an attempt up, and then if we can, I may have a sell stop on the break of the low. Excuse me, but we gotta move up first. Yo, Green's everywhere. That man's
Green,
everywhere.
Green, you're inspiring me, dude. You're inspiring me.
Boston on fire. What is Boston? 1 game away? How are they doing?
They won.
Oh, they won.
They won the finals. Yep.
All right, Green. You happy? Did that make you happy? Yeah, so 4 hours still no bottom wick. Big rejection on the previous 4 hour. We're moving up nicely here. Let's see if we can go ahead and move up, and I may have a sell stop here on the break of the low.
Green, what were those, 4 seats, bro? Sheesh.
Bro, he only does floor seats. Could
bro,
this
I'm like,
4 hour
dang.
candle look something like this later is what I'm thinking. There's a possibility. Yeah, Green only does floor seats these days, man.
I have a new goal on my bucket list. Courtside with Green. We'll make it happen.
W, Hank, you owe it all to me? Word? You gonna send me the 20K? How nice of you, bro. Wow. Chat, what a great guy. Damn.
Oh, are you serious?
He said he made 20K and he owes it all to me. That's lit. I'm down.
Yeah, Hank.
I was trying to creep on a nice little come up like that, little 20 stacks. Appreciate you, Hank. You my dog. Gee, chat. Look at Hank, man. Be like Hank.
That's funny.
Be like Hank, chat.
Hank's like dog chill.
Hank, can you teach these guys a thing or two? Hey, that reminds me. I'm about to write my Venmo on my car window and start driving around all day today. See how much money I can make.
Hank, I'll send you my wire, bro. I appreciate it.
Hey, some of y'all doing DoorDash and Uber. Why don't you just ride around with your Venmo tag on the car? You might make more money.
There we go.
Nah, I'm messing with you. Yo, Hank, that's great, man. 20K, that's really, really good money, especially for a young guy like you, bro. So congratulations, my man. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. You did the work. You don't owe it to me. You know, you did it.
Bro.
I was just here.
Damn, you're doing Uber too, bro? Sheesh.
I'm doing Uber. Oh, yo, making 20 G's.
Yo, are you gonna quit? You gotta quit now?
20 G's delivering Uber. Are you the Uber guy that's like, yeah, you know I do this, but you know I got a thing on the side too. I feel like every Uber driver always has like this side business. So,
Damn,
how long you been doing Uber, man? Well, you know, I don't really do this too much. I mean, it's just a side business for me. I'm actually an entrepreneur. I'm like, oh, word. What do you do? What do you do? They all got that
Quitting
side
on
hustle.
July 5th. Nice, bro.
W. Freedom Day.
Congrats, sir.
Where you at, Hank? Maybe we'll fly in for the Freedom Party.
Yeah, word.
Drop your location, exact address, social security, and the last 3 digits on the back of your debit card. And we'll be there.
That's funny.
Let us know when the deposit hits.
Hey, if you're doing Uber, you're still glitching in a way, right? You still got you're kind of your own boss. So good stuff. Good side hustle, Hank.
Yeah, this Uber thing, I only do it part-time. You know, I make like 20 G's a month outside of this. Just ain't got nothing better to do right now. Pay the fee. Nah, Hank is the man. Hank's on fire, man.
I'd be quitting too after that 20K payout.
You know what I love? One of the things I love about Hank is that I think it was, I would say, I don't know, maybe it was like 3 months ago, Hank messaged me and just like, yo, just like every other trader, yo, I'm struggling a little bit, you know, what should I do, and what can, you know, what would you do, and stuff like that. And I don't know what advice I gave him, but I gave him some advice, and it looks like he took it and ran. You know, I'm not saying that that was his shift, but I do remember a couple months ago, Hank hitting me up, going over some struggles, and, you know, seeing him come out of that and overcoming to become better. I mean, that's what I love to see. You know, that's music to my ears. That's why I do what I do, and it's pretty cool to see it. Pretty cool, Hank.
Really cool. Really cool. It's an inspiration too. Like, for real.
Yeah.
For those working jobs and stuff who want to quit, it's a major inspiration.
Yep. Full-time Uber driver, part-time trader. Yeah, no, exactly. Getting paid $20 an hour to listen to music and podcast. Yeah, it's, remember my mentor would tell me, you know, treat your car like a university on wheels, and just allow it to get you a degree in freedom. Right, a degree in freedom. So that's what I would be doing if I was driving around all day. And I used to drive around all day. A lot of my jobs were like driving, and I just pumped it.
Facts. I would literally look at it like I'm in university, like learning how to trade, right? My chosen profession is trading, and I have a little side gig, and learning at my side gig, right? So I'm in university. That's fire.
Yes, sir. Nice, Hank. Oh yeah, I told you I remember everything, man. I remember it all.
We the same age? Bro, Hank, let's go, bro. You're early in the game, dude.
Wait, where'd you say you were? Indy? That's Indiana? Indiana. I heard there's a lot of nice people in Indiana. Is that true? May have to go there for a little trip. He said, bro, you don't want to come here. Indiana.
Indiana.
Oh, nice. No one pipped and dipped today. Is that true? Well, let's see. The numbers don't lie. Ooh, we had a couple.
Their pips dipped, bro.
We had a couple pip and dippers. They came back. They're like, did they re-enter? No, just go. Let's see if we can break the highs. Break the highs. Honestly, I don't give a rip about this number. How many people are here? That's not what I'm concerned with. I'm concerned in the quality of people, and are the people learning? Are they growing? Are they becoming? Are they getting better? Right? I don't care about the actual number that's here. Actually, the lower the better, right? Because then we could be more in-depth, more fireside chat-ish type of stuff. So yeah, the real ones, you know, the real ones.
Well, staying ready for the sauce we drop. No shot.
We all growing. Yeah, we grow together. So I haven't really done much here, but 9:30 is coming up in about 6 minutes.
I'm looking at this 15 though.
The Abdullah. My pleasure, bro. Forex, man. You trade Forex, not futures? Maybe. Maybe I
just trade, bro.
Maybe I trade futures and not Forex. Or maybe I Yeah, no, it's my pleasure, man. I'm learning just as much as you guys. I really am, you know. Every single day I'm a student before anything, and it's been fun. And that was the big shift, I think, this year from last year is, you know, this year I just wanted to come down and settle down with you guys, right? And just learn and grow together. I don't want to be some special guru. I don't want to be some, you know, internet influencer. I just want to be in an environment with like-minded individuals that I can learn and grow with. And, you know, I just happen to be the guy with the microphone and the camera, but I'm a student to the game, just like each and every one of you guys.
Just trying to be that light.
Just trying to be the city on a hill, like the Bible states, for young, lonely traders or older, lonely traders to come in here and say, you know, this is a pretty good community, and maybe I can rock with these guys, and maybe they can help me a little bit, and maybe I don't trade the same way as them, but, you know, the mentality's there, and, you know, maybe I could pick up a few things on my journey and take it with me, and that's cool. You know, that's cool.
Yep. Not trying to be better than anyone, just trying to help people get better results in life. And if that means just one person, then I feel like I did my job. You know, if I can just help one person have a better life, then that's all that matters.
Yeah. Calvin's here? Calvin. Where's Calvin?
Calvin, if you're here, shout
yeah.
out you, bro. I love listening to your podcast, bro. So fire.
Calvin text me. Yeah, what up, Calvin? Good to see you here, man. Let me text you back real quick.
Top podcast out there. Yes, sir, Wags.
Yo, Calvin's been bringing on the hitters. Calvin's been bringing on guys that are my type of guys, man. I don't know if Calvin's still here, but man, he did some great interviews. Go check out the Forex Beginner podcast. He did interviews with Mike Huddy, which I really have admired for quite some time. He got Kyle Williams on there. He got Don, I forget what Don's last name is, but man, those three guys right there, I've really taken a lot from those guys. They're solid traders all around. So it's good to see Calvin getting some of those guys and those verified traders up there. It's a good look for the pod. It's a good look for the pod.
Hell yeah.
And it says a lot about Calvin too, you know, that those guys are willing to take their time and, you know, jump on his show. And, you know, I love Calvin. He's a great guy, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, he does have, dude, his pod is insane.
You can't get great answers without great questions too. So the questions just keep getting better and better. I feel like each podcast, and we're able to pick, by your questions, we're able to pick the brain of the trader. So good.
Yeah.
And clear.
Yeah, man. Good stuff, Calvin.
Good work.
Yeah, so 15 minutes starting to pull back here. That top wick has been formed, but nothing, no bottom wick just yet on the 4-hour candle. So can we begin to reject off of these areas here? $9.30 coming. Yeah, so we'll see how the candle closes here in about 30 seconds and see if we can anticipate this rejection here, breaking the lows and then pushing down here on the 4-hour. That other news really didn't do much at all. All right, so let's see if we can create a top wick here at 9:30 and then potentially have some sell stops.
What are you thinking, current candle or previous candle entry?
I think current candle entry is pretty good. Pack runner. All right, yeah, chat. I'm gonna have a sell stop here. Sell stop on the break of those lows. We did need a top wick on that candle. So if we re-break the low here now, it should be good.
That's perfect.
If we juice up too much and start breaking those highs right there, then I'll probably delete it. So this is like a 15-minute onion. So let's talk about this real quick. So no bottom wick, right? No bottom wick on the 4-hour candle really either. Very little to no bottom wick on the 1-hour. 30-minute has 0 bottom wick. So if we respect that high and break the low, that's where you should see 9:30 begin to push us down. This will be my area in which I take some partials, and yeah, let the rest run. So let's see, we broke the high here. Let's see if we actually continue up, or if now we filled the wick and now we can come down here on the 30-minute candle. What's Calvin's pod? Let me show you guys Calvin's pod. YouTube. It's called the Forex Beginner Podcast. Right. Oh, who's that? Hey, how you doing? Oh, wow. I didn't know that was going to be on the front page. Damn. Okay. But yeah, he's done a lot of great podcasts here. Yeah, these are the ones I was telling you guys about. These wait, where's the one with Don? Oh yeah, right here. So these ones right here are some of my favorites from Calvin. This one, and this one. And this one. Flip King. Flip King's one of my favorites.
Flip King was fire.
Don't listen to him if you got a personal account. No, just kidding. Yeah, those are some of my favorites. Yeah, Calvin putting numbers, man. Almost 100,000 subs here. Go sub to Calvin's pod. We get him closer to 100K.
Flip King inspired me not to be soft.
Yo, Flip King, that was one of the realest pods I ever. Calvin said, so so you risking 50% of the account? He's like, nah, that's what he's risking. He's like, so what do you risk? He's like, I'm risking the whole thing. That was one of the best lines I ever heard.
Seriously.
Yeah, forex beginners lit. Yeah, we're trying to schedule something to get together in person, me and Calvin. Yo, for real, Sandman. Let's try this out. He said risk the whole account? All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Should we risk the whole account? That's G though. You know, if you have opportunity to play like with, you know, X amount and it's okay and you can lose it, it's pretty G, you know? And yeah, you may blow a few, but you only need to hit on a couple trades there and you know, you're doing pretty dang good.
Right.
All right, so I think I've been activated here. So got into sells. Stops are kept above the highs here. TP is going to be down here towards like 2307, and that's going to be the play here. So we'll see if we can come down and give that 4 hour a bottom wick, and if we can, that would be awesome.
That'd be great. Oh.
Yeah, we may continue up though, right? That maybe that bottom wick was just to give a bottom wick, but if we break the low, it should be pretty good. Let me map out my partials here. And yeah, let's set this trade up. Limit, buy. Boom. Limit, buy. Think I'm good. Yeah, I think I'm good here. All right, cool. So yeah, so that's my trade. That's what I got going on, and we'll see if we can make some money here. I had to try it. You have to try that, man. Just load up like 2K. All right, I'm risking 2K right here.
Yeah, my trade may be glitching.
Trade over quick. Is it?
A little bit.
Oh. Had to try it. That's right. All right, chat. I'm gonna go break even. Modify right here, and then see if we can drive down. Actually, I'm going to close. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for break even. Actually, I mean partials here. There's a lot of volatility. Yeah, so I got B. So there was so much volatility there. You have to go break even there. I had a chance to close, but I did not do it. Just shy of my my marker there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Damn,
very
bro.
Volatile.
Literally
how'd you
tapped
do?
my TP. It tapped my TP and literally pulled back.
Damn, yeah. It didn't tap mine. Didn't tap it. Yeah, I was thinking about closing it full right there.
That was clutch.
Yeah, clutch for you. Damn. Last trade tapped me by 2 pips, and this freaking trade didn't tap me by 2 pips.
But clutch trade for you on the last one, dude.
No, not really. Oh, maybe if you got
Funded
stopped
account.
out. Yeah, that one. I didn't take that one on top one. I forgot.
Damn, that was crazy.
Yes, I hit B either. Straight to partials though.
I think God just was favoring me that here situation.
You got the favor. Team John
That was
today.
hella volatile.
That was fast.
Trade of was quaking a little bit too.
Really?
I think it's just because of my computer. Right, TK?
TK.
Yo,
Yeah,
TK,
wow.
how amazing is my computer?
Computer okay. Yeah, so any of you guys close partials there?
Where was your TP, Nick?
Literally, my partials was right there. I don't know how it didn't get hit.
Yeah, my TP at 2313. Literally tapped it on the decimal.
That's crazy. Yeah, I was a little lower. Little bit lower. Still in, nice. W. Yeah, good trade. Idea played out perfect again. You know, perfect idea plays out, and that's what we really want to see here is the ideas stacking up. Because look, if you close partials there, you'd be like, yes, I'm a winner today. You're a winner, right? Because we really anticipated that move coming down into that range perfectly, and you know from there it could do whatever it needs to do. But as we broke that low, understanding that price is most likely going to drive down now, you know, that was perfect. Yeah, I was expecting to create a steeper bottom wick here, and I think we still will, but yeah, what a great day.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that's good. DJ Scratchers, smart move.
Yeah, very smart.
Amazing ideas here today.
Just execute on edge.
Yeah, how did that not get hit, chat? How did that not get hit? We got to look at that. Instant replay this thing.
Instant replay.
That had to be less than a pip away. Oh. Ew. Wow. That was less than a pip.
Sorry. Sorry,
That
bro.
last push, right? Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Damn. So for those of you guys that closed partials and only got 12 pips, you could be sitting here like this.
That was crazy, bro.
Damn. I might have to hit up Tradeovate about this. You think they'll give it
Yeah,
to
I'm
me?
gonna hit him up and be like, thank you.
Let me screen share this. I'm like, it hit.
Trade of 8, just bless me.
Yeah, that was nuts. I like that we could do the instant replay thing. Instant replay.
That'll probably be
I
the
missed
last
out
trade.
on, yeah, missed out on 350. I wonder how what was I up there? I can't see it. What was I up? That should have been, I think, like 400 maybe. Oh, 430. Come on. Come on.
Could have got diapers.
Sheesh. Could have got more than diapers. Could have got snipers.
Seriously.
I guess I'm one. Where's 1 pip mark at? I guess I'm 1 pip mark today.
But Don, I'm chilling today, bro. I gotta get my brother a ride, and then I'm gonna go chill at the pool with my lady, and then go out to eat later. Nick, we got pizza yesterday.
Oh, nice. How was it?
It was good, bro.
Pizza. It was good.
Yeah.
Where'd you get it from? OIP?
Originals, yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm calling Trade Ovate. Gotta trade. What do you think? Tell him, give me my money.
Gotta trade. Who can we ask for?
Give us the big shot over there. Gotta trade.
Yeah, give us the big boy.
Call the 1-800. I might attempt that. I'm gonna be salty on that one. I'll be like, yo, I want my money. You guys ever seen Casino? I don't think you know what it is that I do. Good old Joe Pesci.
One of my favorite actors.
Still holding. What should I do? Add a stop loss right now.
I don't even know.
Put it somewhere above here.
Where did you have your stops like just back in the range also?
My stops on this were right here, like above the high here.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's good? GG? It's good to see you again.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Got to trade. I'd be like, listen, 1,300 people seen that happen. Now, there's 2 ways we can go about this. Tomorrow, I can go to my live stream and say, TradeOvate's the greatest company on the face of the planet. They made an error and fixed my mistake, and I have gotten paid, and you guys should all put your money in TradeOvate. Or I can say, they scammed me. Yeah. Then they're like, all right, how about can we give you a sponsorship deal?
50K a month, good?
Talk to me.
That's too little. You want 75,000?
Now I'm listening, TradeOvate.
Bro, that was some wicked 930 volume.
That was volatile, baby.
If it was my first time trading today at 930, I don't think I would ever trade 930 again.
That was some volatility. Was having lunch, couldn't close. Yeah, it was quick. It was real quick.
Hank, how'd you do on that, bro?
Even break even was quick too. All right, later, Hank. Have a great day, man. Enjoy the profits.
Peace, Hank.
Radio check. Welcome back, my friend. Should I wait or exit? I would so
Bro.
I would set a stop loss right here. And then just wait. You were already up there, so it's not a big deal. So if you do go back up there, it's not like you weren't there before. But if you push down, then maybe your trade can continue on in profits and you can have a great day here.
If you put a stop loss, you gotta be okay with an L. I mean, an L is better than losing your account, you know, also. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, I would put a stop right here. What is this? 23, 22, 210, let's say. Put your stops there and then enjoy the ride. Because this right here may be the bottom wick for price to break the highs and continue moving up. So you don't want to be a part of that as price moves up, right? You're trying to sell here. So I would just put the stops there and just hang on. Hang on tight. Yeah. We got some dirt on them over there.
So you got BE, Nick?
Yeah, I got break even, yep.
Gotcha.
But that's cool, man. That's cool because while you guys know what I'm working on, right? So I feel like I would have been a sissy like maybe 2 weeks ago and probably just closed it. But, you know, these are things that I'm continuing to work on as a trader myself. So sometimes that's the consequences that you deal with. It's either TP or nothing. All right, Purpose. See you later, man. Later.
Have a good day, Purpose.
Yep, so that was the nice bottom wick that we were looking for. I was hoping that basically we can make that type of bottom wick that you see now on the 30-minute time frame. I was really trying to see if we could have made that for the 4-hour time frame, right? And then pushed up, and that would have really pushed our trade heavily into profits. I think we got what, 30, I think it was like 33 pips altogether on that trade. So not bad.
Wow, it respected that 30-minute previous candle though, like
Yep,
perfectly.
it did.
Just respected it.
That's basically right where my TP was.
Wow, I don't know how you didn't get tapped out.
Oh, dropout trader's not leaving. Let's go. What time is it? I might be leaving. I might be leaving
I'm
here.
heading out at 10.
Yeah, I might have to wait for some new
Is that
price.
okay, boss?
New price action. Yeah, but what's not okay is
okay?
Green
Is it okay?
didn't even call out. Didn't even call out. Just doesn't show. Just gave me a no show.
Fire the man, bro. Fire the man.
Green. We're gonna have to talk in my office later. Am I still in the trade, bro? Nah, man. We've been out of this trade. I did call out. Yeah, you called out Friday, not Monday. Where were you on Monday?
And you didn't even invite like Nick or me.
Nah, he invited me.
Oh. Well, you didn't even invite me.
Unreal. Guy takes a 3-day weekend and makes it 4. All right. I think I'm gonna call it here, chat. I think I'm gonna call it here. So let me give you an analysis here before I dip off. So the daily is flipping bullish again here, right? So you know everything that was playing out earlier made total sense, right? For the daily to continue moving up. This 4-hour has no bottom wick on it, so no bottom wick on this 4-hour candle yet. But guess what? We're tapping target once more time or another time here. So will we begin to reject from there? That becomes the question. 1 hour is also tapping target with no bottom wick. 30-minute is tapping target and filling that wick. So I think at this point, if we're looking at the 15-minute time frame, there's a potential where if you can close back in the range like this, right, then there may be an opportunity for some more sells to go back down and push that 4 hour down. And I'm only saying that because we're tapping into these targets here. So if you tap those targets and begin to reject, then that's where the sells may play out. If not, you do have clean candles on the hour time frame to continue moving up, but not so hot on the 30 minutes. So I wouldn't be taking buys here. I'm just going to wait patiently, see if we can catch some sort of a pullback a little bit later, and that will pretty much be the day. So going to look at these ranges here, like 23, 24, yeah, like somewhere right there for fake outs. Yeah, we kind of approached here, drove down, approached it, drove down, came back, touched it, drove down, came up, drove down, came up, drove down. So if we can kind of monitor this area and keep an eye on how price reacts towards 23, 24, and you do get some sort of a bearish closure, I think that that's an opportunity to potentially participate in some more sells here today, right? You got clean traffic coming down, no bottom wick on that 4 hour and stuff. So yeah, that's kind of my ideas, and that's what I'll leave you with here today. There won't be a stream tomorrow, so tomorrow's going to be a bank holiday. Normally I would stream bank holidays, but we've got some things to take care of over here. I've got a meeting with the mods tomorrow to make things a lot better for everyone else. So we're going to be doing that around NY Open. I'll be pretty active in the Discord though. Maybe we'll do like a Discord video, what do you call it, chat room for a little while tomorrow. But yeah, that's it for today. Really, really good day. Great stream. Really good ideas. Honestly, we could have had, 2 W's so easily here today. Had it just not been for a pip or two, right? So congrats to all of you guys who caught the buys earlier. I did get that one on my funded account, but not on this one. And then if you took profit on the sells like John did, congratulations. 1 or 2 pips, man, they make a big difference. Yeah, good stream though. John, appreciate you, man.
Thanks, bro. Thanks for having me. Good day today. Chat, good day. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys Thursday.
Yeah.
Peace, bro. Talk to you later, Nick.
Later, bro.
Peace.
See y'all Thursday, chat. Mods, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Everybody else, we'll see you guys on Thursday. Enjoy the, I think Asian and London should be good, but New York is probably going to be pretty slow tomorrow. So just keep that in mind as you're trading. And yeah, glory to the Father on the way out. Love y'all. Thanks for pulling up today. Mods, appreciate you guys doing what you do. And I'm over and out. We'll see you guys Friday. Later, gang. Love y'all.
Say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant. This is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned $1 million down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the 1. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I wash away my shame.
You can just set us free. Take rest, cause the living God is living in my chest. Every day I wake up feeling blessed, and even if I don't, I see it as a test. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do can separate my love from you. You came to set us free. You came to set us free. So thankful you ain't drive me in that pit. Hey now, saw my soul inside that fam and said that's it. Grace now, you never flake in the cold winter. I just came to ball with the gold winners. Fast forward, turn to a road runner. Spirit caught me here, go get it. Shed blood, gave me lemonade on this cold bennett. Pick me up. Always Timmy Turner, always chasing after Vicky. Took me to his fountain, gave me peace and chose to cleanse me up. Now I'm testifying of your greatness. This a different look. Go life been hitting hard, let's take it slow. Take a walk by the river and let you flow. Cause Lord, you are all I ever want. You're all I ever want. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do to separate